Hi everybody, it's Elham from Skin Chakra, the place to purchase excellent quality cosmetic raw material and to learn how to formulate like a cosmetic chemist. And today Svetlana and I are going to show you how to make this beautiful self-emulsifying preservative-free chocolate mask. This is so amazingly lush. As you know, chocolate and cocoa are quite in at the moment, both in the food industry and in cosmetic industry because of the antioxidant properties. This is something that you can easily prepare and use it both from home or make it as an institutional product for beauty salon, easily rinsed off and emulsified when you apply it over your skin, and it doesn't stain the skin, and it is easily rinsed off, foams, and is rinsed off with a clean after skin feel. It looks like this when you apply it over your face. We have prepared two versions of this mask. For the case of simplicity and for the video, we are preparing a rather simple version with less ingredients, but we have prepared a lush and elaborate version with more active ingredients and more plant extracts and plant oils. We will show you this version, the simple version, but we will post the elaborate version as well on the blog. The procedure is exactly the same. You just blend all of your oil ingredients and then very slowly add the oil phase to the water phase. Now, before you ask, and I'm sure that you are going to ask, how we do this. As always, for very small quantities, you can easily manage it with a kind of spatula or a spoon. This is manageable for volumes to 100, maximum 100 milliliter, 100 grams. For 50 grams, it's quite okay. For 100 grams, it will become a little bit tedious, but it's still manageable. If you have an overhead mixer, it is quite easy to prepare small volumes to larger volumes. We are using here an ICA Eurostar 60, which is quite a kind of standard laboratory mixer, and we use a propeller blade. This is something that we use for all of our Sapogel formulations. You can use a 4-blade or 3-blade, and it works very well. Another question that you very often ask is the RPM. What is the speed of the mixer? To be honest, I can give you what we use, but depending on the size of your container, depending on the motor of your mixer and on the model of your mixer, you might need to use another speed and another RPM. We usually start very low here with Sapogel. It is around 100, and as we proceed to the end of the formulation and as we gradually add the oil phase to the Sapogel phase, we gradually increase the speed, but we never go over 500, 600. So this is what we use with this specific mixer. What you do at your laboratory with your mixer, try it. It is a trial and error. You don't want to agitate too vigorously and you don't want to incorporate too much air in the formulation, but you still need to stir so that you bring all of the ingredients together. I know these are the questions that you will ask. This is a rather high viscosity mask, and it is not suitable for a bottle. You can fill it in squeezed tubes. That would be quite hygienic. You don't touch the product with your finger, and there is no risk of contaminating or adding water to the product because this is a waterless product and it is preservative free. If you add water to the product, first you increase the risk of contamination, or you produce the risk of contamination as long as there is no water, there is no contamination. And second, you spoil the effect of gel to milk or paste to milk. So you want to keep this product protected against water as far as it goes and as much as possible. So use it in a kind of squeeze bottle so that there is no chance that you add some water to it during application, or use a airless jar. So an airless jar will easily protect your product, and it is easy to use the product without adding some water to it and bringing the risk of contamination to the product. I think I have answered all of the questions that may come. So follow Svetlana and see how we make this product. As always, complete procedure and all of the ingredients are on our blog.